Okay, this is a quick follow-up to a video I made not too long ago talking about how I recently updated to v77 again. So this is, I guess, an overview, maybe not an overview. Yeah, maybe a v77 update overview or software overview, I guess. And that because I might show you guys something, okay? So, not only did all my icons come back, because some of you guys may notice that originally before I updated, a lot of my icons were gone. They all looked like this, but they are actually back. Now this is a view, this is also the expanded view, so all that looks about the same and whatnot. We could pull up multiple windows. Let's pull up the store, okay? Particularly this game, Action Hero. Action Hero is a game we actually own. That's why it's telling us we can start. But look, in the gallery, we literally get to see a preview. And a preview around here. If we look around, you'll see that it's actually, full 3D type thing. We could look behind us and everything. I'm actually sitting down right this second. Let's look at other games, see if there's the same option. Now, this feature, I think, came out a few versions ago, but I mean, I'm seeing it in here I'm really seeing it for the first time. So, yeah, I'm looking for another game I already have just so I can see if it's about the same. Actually, that's the game I've been thinking about buying at some point. So I guess I'll see. Nope, that does. I guess not all games have a preview like that. So let's search another game we already have. Like, let's see if the search feature has gotten any better. I think we can technically use voice, but I don't have the mic enabled. Okay, let's see. Click on here. Okay, there we go. Now, if we click on here, does it have a... Yes, it does. Okay. Honestly, that's about how it looks. I will leave a link in the description below where you can pick up this game as well because it really is a good game. I actually, if you want to hear me give all kinds of praise to this game, I have not one but two cards you can click on. One is on this channel, one is on my other channel. That's how much I enjoyed the game. I raved about it twice. It's such a good game, such a fun game. But yeah, that feature with the store, I believe came with the earlier version, but they worked out some of the kinks, I believe, in some of the most recent version of the game. Actually, let's see details of this game. Okay, so it's not included with every game, which makes sense, but it is included with some games. And I do like that. Now, if it's going to be every game in the future, I don't know. But yeah, I honestly don't know what I'm going to title this video. Maybe I will title it something because this feature I don't think necessarily has to do with v77. I just wanted to give you guys a sort of update from my last video for those of you guys who watch my videos in order by release. But Yeah, if you want to check out that last video I'm talking about, there should be a card somewhere for you to do it. Or you know what, better yet, I'll put the link to that video in the description below just to make it easier on you guys. But yeah, I'm going to actually end it off here. Let me know how many times you've had to upgrade to v77. Don't worry, technically there are different versions. See, I believe there are different versions. I'd like to believe that there are different builds and different versions. I think they actually are, but yeah, it's a bit confusing, I know, but they do, they roll out in waves and stuff. We all don't get all the features at the same time. Keep that in mind. But with that said, I am going to end this video here. I've updated you guys. We've shown off some features and whatnot. And I'm on v77, but I think that the store feature I showed off is available with v76, I want to say, or v72, or v74 maybe. I don't know. I don't think there was a v75. I don't think there was. Okay, well, anyway, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.